I'd like to welcome everybody to CKJ Crypto News. Good morning, I hope all is well. Guys, I got a hell of an article today. We have a top official at State Bank of India, Risk and Compliance Officer Kant, who has been elected to the World Bank. Now, this is the information that just came in. To appoint Kant as a new World Bank Group Managing Director and Chief Financial Officer. Kant brings over 35 years experience in finance and banking, innovative and tech. Now, guys, if you're familiar with Dave Malpass is actually from the Department of Treasury. He's actually from the Department of Treasury, who replaced Kim, who spoke out against blockchain and cryptocurrency. So he was replaced by Dave Malpass. You remember when Bearable Guy said, "I see you, Malpass," referring to Dave Malpass, World Bank, and Malpass from the Ripple community. But he's the new World Bank president. Now, this is going to send us down the Indian rabbit hole. Shout out to Patel. He actually sent me this right here. Xcurrent is the product we are implementing in all banks of India. So I will link this in the description, guys. You do recall this Ripple Regionals, I believe, at India that just passed, and said that their intention is to get all banks in India using Xcurrent. And to me, guys, that's a win-win for Xrapid, because Xcurrent 2.0 is Xrapid. They have the technology at their hands to flip the switch. To even join Ripple is a win for Xcurrent and Xrapid, as far as I'm concerned. Well, let's do a little bit of history on Yes Bank and some of the Ripple partners. Dave Malpass, they're electing. Now, I believe the reason they're electing Kant, no, she's from the State Bank of India, Risk and Compliance Officer. Guys, but if you recall, India has the highest remittances at $79 billion in 2018. So India has the highest remittances in the world. So they're in most need of the technology, that's for sure. Kant appointed World Bank Group Managing Director and Chief Financial Officer. Today announced the appointment of Kant as the Managing Director and Chief Financial Officer at the World Bank. Ms. Kant, an Indian national, is currently a Managing Director at the State Bank of India, SBI, where she was previously served as the Chief Financial Officer. Now, guys, this is really interesting right here, because I got this article right here. State Bank of India eyes Ripple rollout. Now, we'll jump into this right here, but I want to give a huge shout out to Bank XRP. As I started going down the State Bank of India rabbit hole, of course, I found Bank. Bank was already down that rabbit hole. SBI, State Bank of India eyes Ripple rollout. National lender State Bank of India is reporting to be considering a tie-up with cryptocurrency firm Ripple to power instant remittance payments into the country. Now, this is a really interesting article right here that he highlights. Is this one right here. National lender State Bank of India is reporting to be considering a tie-up with cryptocurrency firm Ripple to power instant remittance payments into the country. The crypto firm has seen a rapid growth in interest in the country following news last month that Kotak Mahindra Bank would implement Xcurrent system for payments. Now, I want to jump to this real quick, guys. And then we got Mahindra Bank, which had the symbol 8 on it, which is a Ripple partner using Xcurrent. Now, if you guys recall, Yes Bank, which is also an Indian bank, cryptocurrencies are here forever, ran new from Yes Bank. Now, Yes Bank is an Indian bank also. Watch what he says here. Cryptocurrencies are here forever. Yes Bank in India.
Cryptocurrencies are here forever. Cryptocurrencies are here forever. Are here forever.
Such a powerful statement from the CEO of Yes Bank, or the president, or the CEO at Yes Bank talks about cryptocurrencies and their future and how amazing this technology actually is. So we do know that India is implementing Xcurrent Ripple technology. We got Yes Bank, we got the State Bank of India eyeing it, and we also got Kotak Mahindra Bank also implemented Xcurrent. India's financial sector has expanded greatly in the recent years, and the country is now the largest receiver of remittances. It says 69 billion here. I got one that says 79 billion, right, from India. Originally created from the Bank of Catalina, making it the oldest commercial bank in India. SBI is the largest bank in India with 23% market share in assets. Ripple established offices in Mumbai, offices in 2017. and aggressively begin partnering with financial institutions across the country to improve access to services for consumers and businesses alike. Last month, Ripple announced that Kotak Mahindra Bank will add its 1,300 branches to RippleNet, a decentralized network payment provider. Kotak will use X Current to power instant remittance payments into the country. Wow. Improving remittances services in and out of India means less fees and more money for families who rely on those funds that are sent home. The trend is increasing across payment providers and banks inside and outside of the country, further underscoring the mounting opportunities in remittances to India from the world. Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple CEO, said, wow. Further underscoring the mounting opportunities in remittances to India from around the world, Big BG Brad Garlinghouse said, Ripple CEO. So this is amazing, guys, that, we would have Kant from India pointed to the World Bank, and India being the highest remittance market, and we're constantly getting news that India's plan is to implement all X Current. State Bank of India, Kant named CFO of World Bank. State Bank of India Managing Director Kant have been appointed as the MD and Chief Financial Officer at the World Bank Group. And also, guys, State Bank Kant is a graduate from the Economic Honors from Lady Shah Rome College for Women and holds master's degree in economics from the Delhi School of Economics. She joined SBI as officer in 1983. Wow. So this is amazing, guys. You clearly see that there's plans within plans, and it's all unfolding. And just to make the video a little bit better, also Bank XRP shared this: payments, transactions, and transformation programs of SBI, State Bank of India, and its head of strategy, chief digital officer. And look what he's holding up: blockchain revolution. Wow, guys, this is truly a revolution. And guess what?
Here forever.
Here forever. And here's Yes Bank right here, guys. The CEO from Yes Bank right here basically says, just in case you haven't read this, blockchain can help India's financial institutions develop world-class payment platforms. For example, last year, Yes Bank has signed a partnership with Ripple to facilitate inbound remittances from North America, the Middle East, and the United Kingdom.
Cryptocurrencies are here forever.
Alrighty, guys, so this is Kotak Mahindra Bank right here also. Reserve Bank of India. Mandarin is also in India. This is Kant right here, new CFO at World Bank. And India and Ripple is aggressively partnering with all institutions in India, and their plan is to have all banks online with X Current. And that's only until regulation is granted, and then all banks will be online with X Rapid. What do you think about that, guys? The CKJ coin will come down right now. Smash that coin and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your time. Do you see the plans within plans within plans unfolding? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I respond to all comments. Much love. Mahalo.